Pre-ordering Apple's Vision is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, go to Apple website to order the Apple Vision Pro before its release. Apple usually provides a special page for pre-orders of new products. So click on the Get Started button. Here, as you can see, use the camera app to scan the image and follow the instructions. And then, come back here to finish your purchase. Now go ahead and let's check out the storage. Here, you can choose the amount of storage you need. So the pricing option for the Apple Vision Pro starts at $3,499, which is for the base model with 256 GB of storage. There are also higher tier options available, such as a 512 GB option, which is priced at $3,699, and a 1 TB option priced at $3,899, offering enough storage for movies and other media content. Now, you have the choice to select your preferred payment method, either buy or finance based on your preference. So, with the buy option, you will need to pay the full amount on the same day. Additionally, you will receive a 3% daily cashback if you use the Apple Card for payment. Further, you have the option to protect your new Apple Vision Pro with Apple Care Plus coverage. So you can add Apple Care for $499 or pay $24.99 monthly. So, once you've picked the model you want, go to the pre-order page and follow the steps to place your order. Then, complete the payment for your pre-order using a valid payment method accepted by Apple. Further, if you have any questions or encounter any issues during the pre-order process, you can contact Apple's customer support for assistance.